Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. The Makita 5377 mg worm drive circular saw is built for professionals and serious DIYers who demand maximum cutting power, reliability, and precision. Yes, it's corded, and yes, it's a worm drive saw, but those qualities are exactly why it stands out as one of the most capable circular saws in its class. With a powerful 15-amp motor delivering up to 4,500 revolutions per minute, this saw tears through dense, pressure-treated 2X lumber with ease, maintaining consistent power from start to finish without worrying about battery drain. Despite its rugged performance, the 5,377 mg is lighter than most worm drive saws at just 13.2 pounds. Its magnesium components, including a magnesium motor housing, reduce fatigue while improving durability on demanding job sites. Unlike traditional worm drive saws, the motor and gears are factory sealed with oil and continuously lubricated by a built-in fan system. This innovative design eliminates the need for oil changes while extending the overall life of the tool. The 7¼ 24-tooth blade provides clean, confident cuts across a wide range of materials, from sanded plywood to framing lumber. Excellent blade line visibility and a comfortable handle and trigger layout ensure precise control and smooth operation. Whether you're framing, remodeling, demolishing subfloors, or making trench cuts in concrete, the Makita 5377 mg is a true cutting beast designed to handle it all day after day, cut after cut. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. The Skil 5280-2001 corded circular saw delivers reliable performance, smart design, and outstanding value from a brand with decades of circular saw expertise. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor spinning at up to 5,300 revolutions per minute, this saw offers impressive torque and cutting speed for framing, remodeling, and general construction tasks. Whether you're ripping dimensional lumber or making clean crosscuts, it powers through material smoothly with minimal resistance even when the blade is fully engaged. At just 8.8 pounds, the 5280-2001 is noticeably lighter than many competing saws, making it comfortable to handle during extended work sessions. The well-balanced design and ergonomic grip help reduce fatigue while maintaining excellent control and accuracy. Cut depth adjustments are quick and intuitive, allowing you to move efficiently between tasks without slowing down. The sturdy shoe sits perfectly parallel to the blade, ensuring straight, consistent cuts every time. This saw comes equipped with a 7¼ 24-tooth framing blade that's ideal for construction-grade lumber and everyday job site work. A built-in power-on indicator light adds an extra layer of safety by clearly showing when the tool is energized, an especially useful feature on busy work sites. Affordable, dependable, and easy to use, the Skil 5280-2001 is a solid choice for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals who want dependable corded power without paying a premium. It's proof that a budget-friendly circular saw can still deliver accuracy, torque, and confidence on every cut. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB 1418V circular saw sets a new standard for cordless cutting precision and performance. Designed for professionals and serious DIYers, this saw delivers near-flawless results with a powerful brushless motor spinning up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. Paired with a standard 7¼ 24-tooth framing blade and an 8.0Ah battery, it offers the perfect balance of speed, power, and control while weighing just 11.6 pounds total. What truly sets the saw apart is its integrated aluminum accessory track system. With no special shoe or mounting hardware required, the saw rides smoothly along the optional Bosch track, sold separately, producing table saw accurate rips and crosscuts in plywood and solid lumber. Simply lay the track in place and guide the saw forward for straight, repeatable cuts that elevate job site accuracy. Depth adjustment is fast and intuitive thanks to a thumb latch located above the trigger. Press and release to fine-tune blade exposure with one hand, ensuring optimal cutting depth for both efficiency and safety. 6 selectable speed settings allow you to dial in performance, from low speed, battery-saving cuts in thin plywood to full-depth cuts through construction lumber. An eco mode further extends runtime during light-duty work, while the built-in battery life indicator keeps you informed at a glance. Precise, powerful, and incredibly versatile, the Bosch GKS18V25 GCB14 is as close to circular saw perfection as it gets, delivering unmatched accuracy without sacrificing cordless convenience. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS590 cordless circular saw delivers corded-level performance with the freedom of a battery-powered design. Built to run on both standard 20V Max batteries and DEWALT's high-capacity 20V/60V FlexVolt battery system, sold separately, this saw offers exceptional versatility and power for demanding job site applications. With a no-load speed of up to 5,500 revolutions per minute, it powers through framing lumber quickly and smoothly while maintaining excellent cut quality. When paired with a FlexVolt battery, the DCS590 truly shines, providing an incredible number of cuts per charge and sustained performance even at its full cutting depth of 2 9/16 inches. During heavy-use tasks like repetitive cuts through 2x material, the saw maintains strong, consistent output without noticeable power drop-off. While larger batteries add some weight, the trade-off is unmatched runtime and cutting endurance. Comfort and control are standout features of this model. The ergonomic handle design and rubber overmold grip make the saw easy to manage, even during extended work sessions. Balance and stability feel natural in hand, helping improve accuracy and reduce fatigue. An electronic blade brake enhances safety by stopping the blade within seconds after releasing the trigger. Equipped with a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade, the DEWALT DCS590 delivers smooth, accurate cuts across a wide range of materials. For professionals and serious DIYers looking to go cordless without sacrificing power or precision, this saw is a top-tier choice built to perform at the highest level. Number 5. Makita 5007 mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 mg circular saw is a powerful, precision-focused tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers who want dependable performance with reduced fatigue. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor and spinning at an impressive 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers fast, clean cuts through framing lumber, plywood, and dense hardwoods without hesitation. Whether you're ripping boards or making precise crosscuts, the cutting power is smooth, consistent, and confidence-inspiring. What truly sets the 5007 mg apart is its lightweight magnesium construction. Weighing just 10.6 pounds, it's noticeably easier on your hands and arms than many competing corded saws, making it ideal for extended work sessions. Despite its lighter build, the saw feels solid and well-balanced, with excellent control and accuracy on every cut. Visibility is another major strength. 2 built-in LED lights illuminate the blade path, ensuring you can clearly see your cut line even in low-light conditions. A duct dust blower continuously clears debris from the cutting area, keeping your line of sight clean and reducing guesswork while you work. Equipped with a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade, the Makita 5007 mg is ready for demanding job site tasks right out of the box. While its corded design means less portability compared to cordless options, the payoff is uninterrupted power and long-term reliability. If mobility isn't your top priority, this saw is a smart, durable investment that belongs in any serious workshop.